We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with TRKA continuing to fight and find support and pulling downwards for most of the day, but fighting to hold itself up here at the lowest point that we saw back on Tuesday, right? And it's slightly below that at 25 cents. Now, TRKA was not the only stock falling today. The overall market in the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 12 p.m. sent out a bear indicator. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision. And put options went up 200% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with TRKA continuing to hit dip areas here of white with red borders, and we need to talk about the inflow versus outflow and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to our Discord, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot sent out a bull indicator at 10:10 a.m. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 150% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with TRKA doing a full transition from the rip area to the dip area on Tuesday and continuing to hit the dip area today. If this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with TRKA under a bear indicator since way up here at 89 cents back on Tuesday. Outflows crossed that date. They try to come back up when it hit 50-cent mark. It rejected. And since that date, the outflows crossed and they've dominated, and it's continued to sit sideways, slightly going downwards, testing key support levels, guys. Now, two things that we need to be aware of is on this date, the stock fell after the earnings was released, and it wasn't the only stock falling, right? The overall market and the SPY did as well, as you could see it there. Big day of a drop, and then also into the rest of this week. This is from my last video talking about the possibility of that bear indicator getting canceled, but that is critical, right? That the fact that it was the overall market falling, then the earnings news, and then there was 2 days of a fight here trying to hold support because TRKA was on the SSR list, right? The short sell restricted list, and now I believe that is off, and now we see it continuing to hit supports, guys. And we need to talk about what's going on here because outflows have been dominating all along, and it rejected pretty hard there at 50 cents. Now, I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. Do you think it can find support here and kind of double bottom and do the next leg up? Or will we break through this support and hit even newer lows? That's what I'm looking forward to see what your thoughts are, right? I'm going to share with you guys what I'm seeing in the charts, what the inflow versus outflow and bull and bear indicators are showing, but I look forward to seeing your thoughts as well in the comments down below. So here we are on the 30-minute below the midpoint, right? And outflows dominating not just on the 30-minute, but on the 15-minute as well. And if we zoom out even towards the 1 hour, outflows are dominating, and a big rejection happened yesterday when it tried coming up to 44 cent area. So here we are in a dip area again, and it's going to be crucial, and I'm going to be watching if these inflows can pick back up towards the midpoint and possibly cross it, and as it goes up, start reflecting that strength into the chart and possibly canceling out this bear indicator. This is crucial in the bigger picture as it's near a key support of the lowest point that we saw on Tuesday in the after hours of 27 cents, and right now it's fighting around 25 to 27 cent area in the after hours, right? So here we are on the 30-minute with the outflows dominating, but inflows trying to pick up. I'm going to watch if these inflows can pick up here and start reflecting that strength into the chart. And not only that, but also on the 15-minute, guys. It's pretty close there. It's fighting. If that can cross over, it can quickly start to reflect into the chart. And if it does, I'm going to watch if it can test resistance levels and cancel this bear indicator from up here at around 39 to 40 cent area and start crossing over. And it will be the first time that the inflows cross over since yesterday in the pre-market. But if there's real strength behind it, it'll be the first time it can move, something like what happened here back on Wednesday when it went from 33 cents to 48 to 50 cent area. Now, it's not guaranteed to make the same exact move, but something to not ignore as it's done it before and something to watch carefully. Now, on the 30-minute, we want those inflows to pick up, and the first support that I'm watching here is below 25 cents, the 23 cent area. Then below that is the 20 cent area, and to the upside, if these inflows can pick up and cross that midpoint and start reflecting that strength into the chart, the first resistance is 30 cents. Then above that will be 35 cent area, and I'll be watching if these bear indicators can get canceled for the first time here on the 30-minute, and not only that, but also here on the 1 hour as it starts to bring itself up. And if these inflows can pick up, cross these midpoints, and get possible bull indicators in the process as it reaches new resistance levels. So these are the key levels I'm watching to the upside and to the downside. And I'm going to be watching the bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow within the volatility. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.